Hello, this is Joachim from Playing Piano with Chords. This is piano hack number 10, and I'm going to show you how to find the right chords to create a song or a chord progression in an instant by using the circle of fifths. So if you remember, in piano hack number 5, we took the first 6 scale degrees of the C major scale and we turned them into chords. So we got 6 chords just by moving the same chord shape up the C major scale. These chords are C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, and A minor. Now, if you take a look at the circle of fifths, you see C at the top at 12 o'clock. And if you use C as a center and you draw a circle around it so that it encompasses 6 chords, it looks like this. And now you can see that these 6 chords are exactly the same 6 chords that I've just shown you. So just by drawing a circle around the C, you have found the same 6 chords that you can use to create a song or a chord progression in the key of C. It's really simple. So here they are. You have C in the center, and D minor at the lower left side, E minor at the lower right side, F major at the upper left side, G major at the upper right side, and A minor down in the middle. So just by taking a look at the circle of fifths chart, you have found the 6 chords that you can use to create a song or a chord progression in the key of C major. Here's how they sound if you play them in the order of the circle of fifths. F major, C major, G major, D minor, A minor, and E minor. Of course, you can play them in any order, or you can just take a few chords, say 4 chords, and use them as you like, and they will always fit together. The great thing about the circle of fifths is that you can do the same thing for all 12 keys. So let's look at another key. Let's take the key of F major. If you look at the circle of fifths, F is at 11 o'clock. So if you draw a circle around the F, which encompasses 6 chords, it looks like this. So now you can see the chords for the first 6 scale degrees of the F major scale at a glance. And again, that's really useful if you want to create a song or a chord progression in the key of F major, or if you want to understand a song or a piece of music that's written in this key and you want to find out the related chords. In the next piano hack, I'm going to show you how to use the same method to find the chords for minor keys. You can download a free circle of fifths chart by clicking the link below the video.